Hey, what's up everybody? It is Glam by Emmy. Today I got sent a few packages by Cooserry and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my honest opinion on them. And in this review, I'm gonna really try and keep in mind of a beginner's perspective, or like kind of how I would react if I was a beginner and I started to use this kit. So we're just gonna go over what they have and everything. And they did give me a coupon code, so I'll put it right here on the screen if you guys are interested in buying it. But definitely watch a review to know how I didn't use every single product, but I used most of them. So starting off, we have these wonderful, beautiful glitters. I love glitters so much. I didn't get to use them because I just did a sugar look, but I'll use them in future videos, don't worry you guys. And it's always good to have that glitter. So next they have a little bit of monomer. They have 4 acrylics, which was clear, white, pink, and nude. They had top coat, extra strength primer, and here they have a few tools. They have a practice nail, which I think is really cool, a few brushes, some foil. They have little rhinestones, some cuticle cleaning bits, and then a mandrel bit too, which is really awesome. And I was shook when this came with a drill and a UV lamp. I feel like I was pretty impressed when I saw that too. And then I saw that it came with a bunch of polishes as well. I was like, okay, like let's see what we're working with. So here I'm just showing you guys the products, the primer, top coat, and then I'm gonna do a few swatches. I'm pretty eager to use this little plastic finger. It came with a little dampen dish, some glue, little nail clippers. They're okay, they're a little rusty, but it's okay. And then I think that was nail polish remover. It came with a little pair of tweezers and a file. Came with like a cuticle cleaner. I don't know if I would use that. And then these two were the acrylic brushes. So I'm just opening the nail drill. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to use this in the video because the cords, for both the lamp and the drill, the cords were just not long enough to reach my desk, unfortunately. So, but y'all, look at the pigment in these freaking gel polishes, and they're non-wipe, so you can just like boom, one and done. Obviously top coat it, but those colors, that was one swipe. So except the sheer color, I did like 2 swipes of this. And this is the Curkey, I think it's a 65-in-1 kit. So it comes with pretty much the same items. Comes with a little bit more nail tips. Comes with the lamp drill. I think it just doesn't, it comes with like fewer acrylics, and I don't think it comes with polish, the colored polish. So that's the only difference. The Cooserry 79-in-1 acrylic kit retails for $59.99, but I think if you have Amazon Prime, you get 22% off, which makes it $46.99. And then the Curkey one retails for $47.99, but it's on sale. It's 10% off, so it's on sale for $43.19 right now on Amazon. And then the links will be down below to purchase those. And I believe my code works on both sites. So here it comes with, oh, it just doesn't come with the nude powder is the difference. Still comes with the same glitter, essentially all the same products, just like a little bit of different branding, which is like, that's weird, but you know, I'm not sure why. And then the drill again, which I did not get to use, but I will use it in a future video, just to let you guys know. And let me know if you guys would be interested in a giveaway. Like, I feel like I did use it to create this look, but if you guys are still interested, let me know in the comments down below, because we could do a little giveaway and one of my beginner techs can have this, because I don't think I already have a lot of stuff since I'm not a beginner anymore. But I'm just doing little swatches, and I'm gonna start off with the pink acrylic. Now, off tops, just I'm gonna say this is the part I struggled with the most, even being that I've done nails for like 1.5 years, coming on to 2 years now. This brush was very cheap quality, and maybe it's because I didn't put cuticle oil on it or something. It was just like, first of all, it was super small, so doing my nails how I like to do them was just like, you know, it took longer, more beads in general. But all of the acrylic was getting stuck into this brush, and it's flat right now, but later on in the video you guys will see it just goes, it looks like it exploded, and it was hard to do like a clean application. It was hard to get into the cuticle area because the bristles were so frayed. You can see it kind of starting. But other than the brush, the acrylic, actually this pink color worked really well. The nude swatched really well too. But for this video I just used the clear, pink, and white. The pink, I really like it. The clear is pretty cool. The white, I'm so sorry. Like, I love the pigment in the white. It's very opaque, but it was just like simultaneously runny and setting fast. So I don't know, it was just kind of interesting to use. And then it looks a little chalky, and then because my brush was like getting so messed up, I mean, look at that, I can't even really wipe off anything in the cuticles. And maybe it's my fault, maybe it's because I'm being rough with it, maybe it's because I didn't oil it down or whatever, but everything was just getting, especially the white was just getting super stuck in there. And once the like form of the brush got ruined, it was kind of just hard to use. And I'm sure it speaks for itself. I mean, whites are notoriously hard to make, and they're hard to work with too, so I don't really like blame the brand for the price, I guess, but I think that is something that they can improve on, the formula of their white, and definitely the brushes. Looking from a beginner's perspective, I think I would, and I was getting kind of frustrated with using this brush. I mean, I just wanted to use mine, not only because of size, but just because the quality too. I'm not sure if these are Kolinsky brushes, but yeah, I think it would be kind of frustrating to learn with a brush like that. So I will say, if you are getting the kit, just purchase a brush like outside of this one. But I think the lamp and the drill are pretty, like, they seem like they're pretty suitable, and I will be using them in future videos to let you guys know if you guys want me to. So the clear was pretty cool. Like, I kept it, like, I like the clear. It worked well. So I did after this set, I did end up trying to do a few swatches on myself with, like, to see how the white would react with my regular brush, and it was still getting stuck in my regular brush and kind of giving me the same problems too. So I think the white formula is just something that they need to work on, and then the brush as well. But with that being said, the acrylics are, besides the white, the clear and the pink and the nude were working pretty well that I saw. I did go in and swatch the nude after and kind of just play with it a little bit, and it worked really well. So as you can see here, I'm trying to do a marble. That was my bad. That was my bad. Like, it just wasn't marbling like I wanted it to. Still came out okay, but I'm just trying to like marble. So I'll go ahead and let you guys watch this, and when I get to the filing, I will say, like, the filing was pretty easy. Like, this wasn't as hard to file as acrylic normally is for me. Like, it had like kind of a softer texture, I guess. So it was a little easier to file, and I did have to completely hand file since I wasn't able to use the drill in this video. So you'll see kind of my process for that, and my process as I get kind of closer to the cuticle and filing with that. But as you guys can see, like, this pink works very well. Like, I'm not really having issues with it at all, and the clear as well, even though it's like a little runny. You know, clear doesn't have to be, you know, perfectly marbly. It's okay if it's a little runny sometimes. But yeah, this pink was just working beautifully, and I think it's a beautiful color too. And it's a shame with the white, because I really do think like the pigment is just like boom, you know, but that formula definitely needs to. And the monomer was it was okay. Like, it wasn't super strong, but it's just had a weird smell. I don't know how to describe it, but it did end up working pretty well with the formulas. I mean, it got the job done, you know, it got the job done. And I feel like it wasn't too much different from my normal monomer. So, and then I am gonna go ahead and encapsulate all the nails with the clear. Like, as you can see, it's a little bit runny, but it's okay. Like, all you have to do is just work faster to get that bead down there. So I kind of liked it. I didn't mind it. But yeah, I'll go ahead and let you guys watch that process. Right here, I'm going in with a little bit of glitter polish that they have. Oh, I thought this was so cute. I thought this was such a cute effect on a nail, and the glitter polish is so nice. Using the glue provided to kind of use it as rhinestone glue, and it dries very fast, so you guys just keep that in mind. I think that's a really good thing when nail glue dries fast, especially when you're trying to like glue down tips and stuff. But yeah, just probably go like one at a time. The polishes were really good quality though, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I did one swatch and they were pigmented AF. That was just one coat. The only one that wasn't coated twice was like the light pink one. I had to coat that one twice, but even then, they're just like super nice, really beautiful colors, so I did like that too. So my overall thoughts on the products are that you do get a lot of bang for your buck. You get a lot of products, and I think it's a really like cool beginner kit, especially the fact that it comes with a nail drill and a UV lamp. I think that's a really deal. But the money you're saving on the lamp and the drill, honestly, I would use to invest in a better acrylic brush, just to give you a little bit of an easier time. You could still use it, you could still finagle and finesse it and all that stuff like I did, but you know, just to give yourself an easier time, just get a better brush. But definitely let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys would purchase it or not. Let me know what you guys think of what it comes with. Do you guys think it's a good deal? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch today. I mean, look, it's still bomb. Like, look at that set. It's so good. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.